at a time where grains are getting real expensive, I wanted to supplement some things that weren't so expensive for my chickens that would be safe. So I've researched some things and found some things I could forage for out here on my farm. And one of them is something called chickweed. And they love this stuff. They literally love it. And so I'm going to pull it apart and kind of spread it among my birds. But I'm going to bring it in here and give it to these guys. I want you to see what they do. They just love it. And that's a way to save money, and just go around and look at the grasses and kind of learn to identify them and get ones that have not had pesticides put on them. There you go.